Hey, 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 it's your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I cannot believe it is Thursday already, but I am not complaining, okay? It just feels like some weeks go by a little faster than other ones. Now, I have a hot work from home opportunity for y'all who are in the insurance business, for the folks who love them a little insurance. This is a high pay claims position, and it's with a new to this channel company, okay? And we're just on a roll. So, all you folks who want to throw in the towel on your job search, all you folks who are like, man, nobody is out here hiring, I can't find anyone, please, okay, don't listen to that negativity. There are so many companies and so many opportunities out here, okay? This opportunity, as I mentioned, is going to pay very well. It's for the claims department, and you only need 1 year minimum of claims experience. And that's it. So we're going to get into this lead, but first things first, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and you tap that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of these hot work from home opportunities. This channel is all about work from home jobs and information. So if you are someone who is looking for an online job, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you tap that bell, because I will deliver these leads to you, okay? I try not to miss a day. If I miss a day, it's usually YouTube's fault, but I won't get into stuff that happened earlier this week. So once you take care of that, we'll be ready to jump in. Okay, so we are looking at Pure Insurance's homepage. And, I like to start here just so you can get a feel for what it looks like, especially if you're going to go to the website and do some research yourself. It's just nice to have that confidence that you landed on the right place. Now, this company is a newer insurance company. They've been around for a while. For the first time on here, I've been looking at their Glassdoor. Go over to their Glassdoor. They've been around since 2006, and they are quite a large company. Now, they have an appetite for luxury. So it says, think homes, cars, fine art, and collections designed exclusively for financially successful individuals and families. So this company likes to insure, the finer things in life. And you can find out a lot of information about them just by going to their website, which, that's where we're at. And you can see some of the other things that they offer insurance on. Now, getting into their lead, this is for their claims representative position. And this was just posted on Glassdoor. So one little thing I want to point out, sometimes if you see a lead that I share have maybe like multiple days or whatever listed at the top, that's not always the case for the lead. Sometimes the lead may have been posted on the company's website, but then they just posted it on like a third-party website. So the leads I share with y'all are hot, okay? Now, as far as pay goes, this role is going to pay somewhere around $33 per hour when you break it down. And if you go over to their salaries, you'll see that there are 4 salaries submitted for claims representative. And when you put this into, like a little calculator that you can find online that breaks things down hourly, it comes down to $33 and some change. So nice. And this is a super short and sweet lead, but I do want to share with you first. One thing about this lead is you need to have 1+ years of direct property and casualty insurance experience. And I believe I said at the beginning, it has to be claims. So as long as you have P&C experience, you're fine. And then it does want you to have experience handling damage claims, but they don't specify how many years you have to have of that. So those are the qualifications that you really need to hit for this role. So it says about the role, the claims representative is a key member of the claims team reporting to the casualty manager or team leader. The primary goal of this position is to deliver flawless service to our members and independent agency partners. This person will handle first and third-party claims in a quality manner and meet our high standards of accuracy, efficiency, quality, customer service, and regulatory compliance. What you'll do: resolving claims and responding to inquiries involving members, agents, vendors, independent adjusters, appraisers, salvage, roadside assistance, and rental car agencies, being the first notice of loss for a claim assignment from our valued members, handling first and third party auto physical damage claims, including losses of disputed liability without third party bodily injury exposure, handling subrogation and closed files, making appropriate coverage determinations, reserving and resolving claims within prescribed authority levels, and handling status updates with agents and members, all with a focus on timeliness, appropriately managing vendor activities, processing transactions in claim and policy administration system, inputting claim data for reporting purposes. What we're looking for: you have 1+ years of direct property and casualty insurance experience, you have experience in handling auto physical damage claims, you have prior experience in a fast-paced environment where multitasking and organizational skills were required, you have a working knowledge of Excel, Word, and email applications, you are experienced with the high net worth industry, a plus but not required, you have a bachelor's degree, preferred but not required. Your interpersonal, listening, written, and oral communication skills are excellent. You are highly detailed and organized, capable of prioritizing multiple tasks and assuring consistently high levels of accuracy. You have an ability to demonstrate integrity, exhibit team spirit and enthusiasm, and establish trust and credibility. You're an agile learner who can quickly absorb information and apply it to current business situations. So that is the lead, okay? And they just talk a little bit more about the company over here on the sideline. And they have a little video about what makes our team #peer proud. And then they have a little section here that says introduce yourself. This is for if you don't see a role that's a good fit, you can, I guess, throw your name into a bucket. But I prefer not to do those things just because, I don't know, maybe it works out. I just personally like to, put my name in the hat for specific roles. And if you want to put your name in the hat for this role, then the apply button is at the top left. Now, you guys, I'm going to give you my little 2 cents. And I know a lot of y'all appreciate that because, these things help out. If you have ever worked in insurance and you've ever worked in property and casualty for at least 1 year, then yes, that would qualify you. But if you have that claims experience and you've been doing that for a while, then this sounds like a really awesome role for you. And in claims, you're the person who, when the insured has a loss, they contact you. So your role is to, get all the information and, get the statements and things together so you can start working on how you guys are going to resolve that claim. And if you aren't someone familiar with insurance, maybe you're just watching this because, hey, it's a high paid job, I would highly encourage you to get into insurance because there are a lot of high pay opportunities in this industry. And most of you guys know I started off as an insurance marketing professional, and that's how I got my start. In fact, the company that I was working with had an appetite for, I wouldn't say necessary luxury things. They were a commercial insurance company. They had like a very persnickety type appetite. So, along the lines of this, it could definitely exist in the same world. So I understand that, they're looking for people who they do their job very well, because when people are paying top dollar for their insurance premiums, they expect to have the best servicing and the best experience, period. That's what I would want to see if I was looking at the applications, and that's what you want to show them. So again, if you like this lead, then hit the apply button. And if you are new to the online job search, or you still don't know what you might need to get to outfit your office, like what do you need? Do you need that background? Do you need the computer with the dual monitors? Do you need the fancy USB headset? Well, I have a free checklist that will show you all the equipment that you may or may not need. And then if you want some of my recommendations for what I use, then I also have links to that. And you can download that free equipment checklist in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.